Morning students. Yesterday you have solved question number 1. That question was subtracting 1 from the following numbers and express the resultant numbers as the product of two consecutive even natural numbers. Now question number 2 today. Subtract 1 from the following numbers and express the resultant numbers as the product of two consecutive odd natural numbers. So what is the difference between these two questions? Yesterday at this place you had got the product of two consecutive even natural numbers. Yesterday. But today you have the product of two consecutive odd natural numbers. This much is the difference. There was even natural numbers and here is odd natural numbers. So the first number is 484. We find the square root of 484. For that we can go through prime factorization. 484 will be divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. 11 11 ja 121. So for that we can write square root of 2 into 2 into 11 into 11, and this became 2 into 11 equal to 22. Now we write the resultant number that we get subtracting 1 from 484. 484 minus 1, we got 483. This became the resultant number. Now this 483, that is the resultant number, will be the product of predecessor of 21, that is 20, predecessor of 22, that is 21, and successor of 22, that is 23. When you multiply these two, you will get 483. So these two became the answer. For the verification, you can see 23 into 21, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 3 8 4, 483. So this resulted number 483 is the multiplication of 21 and 23, that is the predecessor of 22 and successor of 22. Question number Roman number 2. That question is 1600. Now for that, first of all we find the square root of 1600. That is very easy to say. 40 into 40, that is equal to 40. Now the resultant number we find. The resultant number equal to 1600 minus 1 equal to 1599. So this resultant number 1599 is the multiple of predecessor of 40, that is 39, and successor of 40, that is 41. These two became the answer. For verification we can check 41 into 39, 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 9 9 5 1, 1599. So this resultant number is the product of these two consecutive odd natural numbers. Roman number 3. That question is $784. First of all, we find the square root of 784. We go through prime factorization. Divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 9 is 18. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 9 is 18. 2 6 is 12. 2 9 is 18. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 9 is 18. 7 7 is 49. So this became equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 equal to 28. Now write the resultant number. Resultant number equal to 784 minus 1, that is equal to 783. This resultant number 783 is the product of predecessor of 28, that is 27, and successor of 28, that is 29. These two became the answer. Now question number 4, 5, 6. Question number 6. That question is 1936. 1936. Find the square of 1936. Go through prime factorization. 1936 divisible by 2. 9 is 18. 2 is 6 is 12. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 11 11 is 121. That is equal to square root of 1936 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11, means the multiplication of all these prime numbers. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 11 equal to 44. Now you find the resultant number. The resultant number equal to 1936 minus 1, 1935. So this resultant number 1935 is the product of predecessor of 44, that is 43, and successor of 44, that is 45. These two became the answer. Now question number 8. That question number 8 is 3844. 3844. Now first of all we find the square root of 3844. 3844. Go through prime factorization. 2 1 is 2. 2 9 is 18. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4. 2 9 is 18. 2 6 is 12. 2 1 is. Now 961. Let us try this division by 7. 7 1 is 7. 2 26. No. This 961. We are getting 30. We can check by 31 into 31. Why? Because 30 into 30 equal to 900, and 31 in 31 we are getting 1 into 1, this one. So let us try how much we are getting. 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3, 3 1 is 3, and 3 3 is 9. So we are getting 961. So this is divisible by 31. So here square root of 3844 became 2 into 2 into 31 into 31 equal to 2 into 31 equal to 62. Now the resultant number equal to 3844 minus 1 3843. So this resultant number 3843 is the multiplication of predecessor of 62, that is 61, and successor of 62, that is 63. These two became the answer.